Miss Gansko here again for another day of Number Corner. Let's start off with today's date. If we look down at our calendar, today is a Wednesday, a wonderful Wednesday. It is Wednesday, April 29th, 2020. And for today, while I write the date on our observation chart, I would like you to think, what do you think is going to be behind 29 for today? If you're not sure what kind of shape, think of, is it going to be symmetrical by looking at the pattern? Or how many folds do you think it'll be? I'm going to put the date today in. You go ahead and make a prediction. Drum roll. Let's get that drum roll going on, first grade. And we flip it over. We have, what shape is that? I'm going to make it a little bit larger so that we can see our shape. We might have seen a lot of these shapes around Easter. It is more of an egg shape. Not quite an oval. He's a little bit fatter on this end. So here is my egg shape for today. And so we are going to put egg for today. Egg for today. And it kind of looks like an oval, so we'll put that it's like an oval. But there is 0 sides. There's 0 straight sides. So looking at our egg today, if I fold it, I'm going to try folding it from, it's laying down, so from top to bottom, and see if we have any congruent halves. And here's one side, and here's the other side. So it looks like, first grade, that we do have, it folds into 2 equal parts. Now let's try going from the side to side. And here, first grade, I can see definitely some overlapping. So we do not have those equal shapes there. So we cannot go the other way. So it looks like, if I turn this around, that we just have 2 equal parts. It can fold into 2 equal parts. So I'm going to put an X in our 2 equal parts. If I scroll up here, you can see that it's exactly 2, folds into exactly 2 equal parts. So knowing this, that we did see those equal parts from here, this side, to the other side, that means that we do have a line of symmetry. If I open it up and I look from this side to this side, it does have that butterfly effect. It lets that mirror image, same shape and same size. So we will put a yes in there that it is symmetrical. Hey, on your piece of paper, I want you to go ahead and draw your oval there, that egg shape, and then together we are going to draw in that line of symmetry. So go ahead and draw that in on your piece of paper. Great job, first grade. All right, we are now going to count our days of learning. Remember, our small squares here say 25, but the big one altogether is 100. So let's start with 100 today. So we're going to count all of these together because they're all filled in. So we say 100. Now we can go by 25s. 125, 150, now counting by ones, 151. And for today, that marks 152 days of learning. Make sure to have your journal so we can record 152. What do we need to change with my number here? we need to change the 1 to a 2 in that ones place. So go ahead and erase. And then we will add in a 2. And over here in our drawing, for our longs and ones, we do have 100. Remember our 10 tens? We have 5 tens here for 50, and we just have 1. So what do we need to add? That is correct. We need to add 1 more little ones. So I'm going to go ahead and make sure that we have our crayon there. And we have 2. Make sure to push the save button. So we have 152. Over to our expanded notation, we have 100 plus 50 plus 1 equals 151. I want you to think, math geniuses, what do we need to change here to match our picture? Since this is more of an expanded notation picture, and this is our numbers for our sentence, what do we need to change? That's right, we need to change the 1 to a 2. So we'll go ahead and fix to a 2. Adding 2 equals 152. And remember, we were taking what the difference between 200 and how many days we have been in school. So we are thinking 200 take away 49 equals 151. If we go back to our chart, we want to see what is the difference over here. What do we need to get to equal 200? What is that difference? Let's count them together. And we're counting by tens for the columns. 10, 20, 30, 40. To the black line is 45. And by ones, 46, 47, 48. So now we have just a difference of 48. So we'll go ahead and change the 49 to a 48 equals 152. Now on your piece of paper, make sure to write a crazy number sentence to submit to your teacher or your parents. We would love to see how you made 152 that is different from ours. Great job, first grade. And off to collecting our popsicle sticks. We have collected 7 popsicle sticks this week. We are going to spin again to see how many more we are going to add on to 7. So I am going to just erase the 4 plus 3 and leave the 7 just so that we don't forget. And now we are going to spin. Let's hear that drum roll, first grade. Let's spin one more time. Looked like it was on a line. We are adding 4 more popsicle sticks. So make sure to add with your tally marks, because my popsicle sticks look like tally marks. We're going to add 4 more. 1, 2, there's 4, so next one's going to close the door. 3, and 4. So how many popsicle sticks do we have now, first grade? Let's count them together. Remember, when we've closed the door, we have 5. So we're going to count by 5s. 5, 10, and just one more, 11. So today's number sentence was 7 plus 4 equals, or is the same as, 11. Nice job, first grade. We have collected 11 popsicle sticks. And first grade, we are going to look at our number sentence using our number rack here. I am with one finger going to slide over 7 on the very top. How could I do that? I need to think, well, all of the white would be 5, And 2 more is 7. So I'm going to use one finger and slide it over. And how would I know that there's 4 being slid over for adding 4? Well, remember, all of them is 5. 1 less is 4. So I'm going to slide that over. And here we have 7 and 4 more. We can also think of it as we have 4 and 4. There's our doubles, making 8, and count on 9, 10, 11. So we have 7 plus 4 equals 11. You guys did a fabulous job today for our number corner for April 29th, 2020. We've been in school for 152 days. Great job, first grade, and I will see you for tomorrow's number corner. Have a wonderful Wednesday.